So here trusted will not take much prominence as compared to that of other USPs in the business. Based on the type of business, the USPs will vary. See, now it doesn't matter trusted, more than trusted, 100% placement assured will be more effective. Correct.
Correct.
If students are joining for a program, any training program, 100% assured program will become standouts. You can use most trusted training partner, trusted training provider, but highly impactful is something else. Correct. You have to prioritize it that way. Bedbugs pest control services or pest control, yeah, services SERVICES in Bangalore. See, he is doing it in Bangalore, right? He has to focus in Bangalore keyword. Bedbugs pest control, or maybe bedbug pest will remove bedbugs control services in Bangalore, or maybe I don't know if they have found all the relevant keywords. Based on these keywords, if I have to write the title, it's going to be this way: bedbugs control services in Bangalore or agency in Bangalore. Okay, 100% assured bedbug.
We will go beyond that. So.
No, bedbug removal. Don't see, it's not. Okay, I don't know. I'm just writing it like that.
I got just simple only top studio and piercing, top tattoo and piercing studio near you. Find the best tattoo and piercing shop. With all that, I had some 20 keywords. I mentioned in the chat GPT, give me the meta description, meta table. So it gave only this line. So I want to add this line to the Google.
No, no. Don't add whatever ChatGPT gives it to you. So understand, we have discussed the guidelines, right? How the title has to look like. So vet it against that guideline, against those guidelines.
Against those.
You review it against those guidelines,
Right.
right? So does it has a CTR trigger? Does your description has a call out statement? Do you have a call to action in your description? Maybe ChatGPT also would have done these things. It would have written to a decent good version. Is it covering all the keyword variations that you want to cover? So review your ChatGPT titles and descriptions against that. Okay.
And accordingly, we can tweak.
Yes. My
Sir, how to
Yeah.
calculate the
This
character?
This one equal to length of formula, length of this cell. Okay. So I want to calculate this equal to. So I'm writing equal to length of f2. This is f2, and I'll copy paste the same up to the bottom. Okay. So the moment I write something, it automatically calculates. Okay. So bedbugs, maybe number two cockroach.
So this is how you have to do, right?
So instead of this bedbugs, you can write it as bedbugs treatment or control. Bedbugs control is your service name, and this one you have to assign some 5 keywords or 10 keywords, whichever are relevant. Cockroach
So in
treatment
that
or
keyword
control.
planner, you showed that as ascending and descending order, no? The
Yes.
traffic. We were not able to do that yesterday.
Not able to do in the sense you did not get the volume.
We got the volume, but how to segregate that volume, we were not able to do it.
Okay.
Like we downloaded in CSV. After that, what we were trying to figure it out, like how it was.
I'll show it to you. You can do that. So I'll do it the other way.
No, for you it is showing. For you it was not showing.
Data, you have to click on data.
Okay.
Without clicking on data, it will not show. Okay.
Okay, understood.
So after clicking on data, it shows up. Okay. So got it.
Sir, I didn't get how to filter it down. I just know that which keywords is more than 5,000. That I
Filter it out in a sense.
No, we had some filtering out with all keywords.
Hmm. How to filter out? Did you
Yeah.
categorize patterns and category?
Pattern and category.
Did you do the pattern and category?
No, I didn't do that.
So tattoo shop near me has the highest number of searches.
Yeah.
Tattoo store near me has the highest number of searches. You see 9,900 searches. All tattoo shops. Studios near me. Studio tattoo near me. Butterflies tattoo. So butterflies tattoo has good searches. Maybe I don't know. Butterflies tattoo again design. People must be searching for design.
Yeah, yeah.
Tattoo shop is the most relevant keyword. Tattoo store and tattoo shop. You have to prioritize this keyword. So what I'll do is I'll start finalizing the keywords.
Yeah.
So I'll finalize this tattoo store or tattoo shop. I'll finalize this as well, but all of them contains near tattoo shop, near shop me. Okay, that is tattoo shop nearby me, tattoo shop. We have covered these two, right? It covers all of this. We don't have to go with them. Studio tattoo, butterflies tattoo, tattoos near me, piercing nose near me tattoo, tattoo near me, tattoo shop, shop tattoo, tattoo shopping, piercing shops near me, body piercing shops near me. Body piercing and tattoo different, right?
Yeah, body piercing also, that's also a good keyword.
But body piercing you have a separate page, or if you want to combine your home page too, but target separately, na? Only tattoo you target your home page, which has more ticket price. Tattoo only, right?
Tattoo.
So you focus tattoo keyword for your home page and add one more new page and optimize that for piercing.
Yes.
Nose piercing one page, ear piercing or one page, body piercing one page. Okay, so you target it at that way. Tattoo artist near me, you can tattoo artist also you can create one page. So body painting, no painting for body, rose in hand tattoo, body art tattoo, but there is no shop, nothing here. So what I'll do is I will filter out first all the business related keywords. So in this I'll eliminate empty. So all these are related to business now, right? Closest tattoo shop now. So ideally speaking, so all these are your business patterns. So what I'll do is I'll simply take this separately. I'll put it here and I will remove duplicates. Look at this, all of you. Again, data, remove duplicates. Okay. So for me, main goal is to all of these things. So I'll associate all of these things with tattoo. Okay. Okay. So now my keywords will be all related to this tattoo, studio, or maybe I'll put tattoo shop near me. Shop is covered, so I will remove. Okay. Tattoo, parlor. Okay. And tattoo studio. Tattoo studio. People, tattoo studio is clear. They are looking for a studio or the place. Tattoo artist.
So the keyword
Tattoo piercing.
yeah, tattoo store.
Tattoo store. These are the keywords.
So basically these are the categories only, no? So what we have done.
Not categories.
Shop, parlor,
Tattoo,
studio, that was the
parlor,
category.
patterns. No, shop, parlor, studio, artist, piercing store are patterns.
Patterns.
Categories, ear, nose, body, that is category. So I'll call this as keywords. Now using this keywords, you have to write a meta title. Okay. So I will write
Best.
uh, tattoo. If shop is most used, you use tattoo shop only. If not, studio synonym, they put a tattoo studio in Bangalore. Right? Best tattoo.
In keywords, the initial letter can be small or capital.
First alphabet has to be capital in the title.
Okay.
So not in the keywords. Keyword anything is fine. Keyword all small only. So in title, first alphabet in the word, any word has to be in the capital letter. Best tattoo artist, most debuted tattoo studio in Bangalore, best tattoo artist. Okay. You can best tattoo artist and best tattoo artist, and I will put 5,000 plus designs, or maybe if they are concerned about the price, starts at, so it's going to 71 characters. So I'll wrap this. Okay, repeated tattoo studio in Bangalore. So best tattoo artist, repeated tattoo studio in Bangalore, 500 plus designs by tattoo artist. Maybe we can write like that, 5,000 plus. See, you have to iterate this multiple times. 5,000 plus tattoo designs from artists. I'll remove this text. This will be less than 70 now.
Exactly.
Okay. OTP. Which?
So before and now using clients are compared. How does the kind of forgotten mode in
It should be up to 70.
69
That's the last thing.
43
If
57.
there's more, no, it should dash.
Okay. So it has to be less than 70 characters. Okay. So now what is the USP in your business? Quality ink is one USP. Hygiene without wound. Safety and hygiene. We have put some points, right? So what is the document name? Do you remember?
Tattoo only, foxing or tattoo?
Right? Safe, hygienic, and non-allergic premium ink. Tattoo specialist, highest rated and most preferred tattoo studio. You can prioritize this in your title. Right? Highest rated and most preferred tattoo studio can be one of the best thing, because people don't understand ink. They are not really searching for quality ink. They don't know anything about tattoo industry or domain. They want to first find tattoo studio, and you speaking the most reputed and most preferred tattoo studio will be the most attention grabbing piece of content. See, ink and all, when they come, they don't understand the ink related thing, the stage one. Right? People who are already in the tattoo industry or tattoo domain will understand the ink related. Somebody who is coming for the art, as a customer, ink is not a big deal.
Customers who are already knows about tattoo, they ask which ink.
Yes, that's what I'm telling. People who know about tattoo will ask.
Yeah.
Maybe probably they must be doing the tattoo for the second time or third time, correct?
True.
Those people will ask about ink. These people will ask about your hygiene, the device that you use, is it sterilized, or lot of things.
Yes.
Correct. So you don't have to tell those things in your meta description or title.
Yeah.
So you have them in the web page content.
Yeah.
Right. That is what I did last time. Also we did, right. Correct. So now coming to your description, so you can put most repeated. We have put maybe highest rated and most preferred tattoo studio. You can have that again still. Okay. Reach out to the most preferred and highest rated tattoo studio, tattoo shop near you. Okay,
Yeah.
something like that. Reach out to the most preferred and highest rated tattoo shop near you.
Piercing.
Right. So Foxy Ink is the best tattoo parlor for best tattoo parlor for the
Piercing also.
not piercing, tattoo parlor. Foxy Ink is the best tattoo parlor. Imparting correct? No. Foxy Ink is the best tattoo parlor for any kind of tattoo designs in Bangalore. Maybe I might have not written. Okay, so now you will be writing 5,000 plus. We have written this already in title. You can avoid this and bring in some other USP. 5,000 plus designs.
You can write an attractive pricing. Pricing also will be
Then
covered.
write it. So price starts at, what is the price
350 rupees.
per square
Per
inch?
square inch.
350 rupees. You said 299 or something.
Yeah, 199, that is offer. The 299. Actually, we are charging 350 only now.
I don't know what is the length of this. This won't be on your webpage. This is in the Google. Okay, 178 characters. You can go up to 180 also. Try to have it 150. Reach out to the most preferred and highest rated tattoo shop near you. Foxy Ink is the best tattoo parlor for any kind of tattoo designs in Bangalore. Price starts at maybe at you can put it as like this. You can improvise this further. So this is spreadsheet, right? If I'm typing it is taking the contact. Okay, this is meta description, right? And you'll also need H1 for your page. This is going to be H1. H1 will be written using leading, or I don't know, you can write anything that you want. But in this, you have something that is pitching your service.
Where H1 will be, sir?
I'll show it to you. Leading tattoo studio in Bangalore. Right? H1. This is H1.
No, I'm asking you if a customer clicks on that meta title only, then it will go to that page. And
On
when
the
he
page,
opens the
H1.
page, he will be able to
Yes,
see.
yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. Then you will be able to see H1 here. And this H1 is also given a lot of importance by the search engines. So whatever you put in this, that will be considered for crawling, and usually we prefer to have a keyword. The most important keyword goes in the H1. And this is also very impactful or the key text for public, like people who are browsing your website. What they are searching for is tattoo studio, correct? So when they land on it, they have to do something related to tattoo only. You should not be writing about us here. They are searching tattoo studio in HSR or tattoo studio in Bangalore, correct? Or they are searching for mango. You should be writing about the mango, correct? Not something else. So H1 has to be always a keyword optimized text and try to have present it. See, the must track digital marketing KPIs. Here the core keyword is digital marketing KPIs, that's all. And it is wrapped in the must track digital marketing KPIs for business owners and marketers. We are conveying certain things.
Performance index, and what is K?
Uh-huh. Key
Key
performance indicators. Okay, for business owners and marketers. So I launched this yesterday. Okay. Right. So H1 also has some guidelines. H1 you try to keep it less than 6 words or 5 words. So here leading tattoo studio in Bangalore is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words, correct? So try to keep in less than 5 words or 6 words. Words. Okay. Do not write a lengthy paragraph in the H1 and do not write multiple H1s in the page. So this page will have only one H1. This will be the H1 and this will be probably some other heading tag. So there are 6 different heading tags in the HTML, H1 to H6. So you should not repeat H1 and H2 multiple times on the web page, and at least the H1. H1 has to be used only once on the web page.
Where does the H1 comes?
This is the H1.
Oh, this is H1.
So whatever text you put, see, this will be wrapped in H1. If you look at this, you see here H1.
Yeah, okay. H1 class.
Yeah.
So how to?
So this is all ignore class, empty, -3 and all. This is some CSS they are putting to change the color or to make it look different. So usually H1 is simply like this. H1 will be simply written like this, H1, and whatever text you want to put, this is the heading tag. This text is wrapped in H1 to make it look bigger. So the purpose of H1 is to make it look bigger. It's a heading tag indicating that's a heading tag, and search engines also give importance to it.
But sir, how
Right.
do you have to do that?
You will not do anything, so your websites will be already built in such a way the key text goes here. Now you have to make sure your key keywords, the main keywords, go here, and you optimize it properly with the keywords. Sometimes they must have put simply KPIs here. Think that it's just written as KPIs, nothing else. But this web page is all about digital marketing KPIs. That's when you will rewrite this KPIs to digital marketing KPIs. Instead of writing just digital marketing KPIs, you will make it more impactful now. The must track digital marketing KPIs for business owners and marketers. Are you all getting it? So when somebody is publishing this product on your website also, if it is mango, people will just write mango and they'll publish. But what is the keyword that you are targeting? Buy mango, correct? Buy mango, or maybe it could be mango, but at least it has to be impactful, right? So fresh, alfonso, or maybe some other variety, whatever it is. Instead of just writing mango, your target keyword is totapuri, because that's the totapuri mango. You have to write it now.
Wait.
The most tastiest, the not necessarily whatever you think, tastiest or fresh or whatever word makes it, pictures it high, correct? Communicate something better about it, correct? So you will write fresh totapuri mango, or additionally you can add buy fresh totapuri mango, correct? It was earlier just mango. So in the H1 place is not used effectively. It's just filled with some random piece of information or the text or simply a word, correct? And now you are making it, you are optimizing it with the primary keyword, and also you are trying to make it powerful, more impactful. You are given only one line of space, and you have to make an effective communication in that one line, correct? Got it about H1? And your web page can have multiple heading tags, H2, H3, H4, H5, different heading tags. So that is all fine, no issues, right? So let's assume this page is all about tattoo studio. And do you see anywhere tattoo related keyword here? No, right? If we make an assumption that this is all about this, let's assume this is a tattoo studio page. Or maybe you take Foxy Inc. foxyinc.blr.com. Most probably, see now, you could have utilized this page for your primary keyword. You have written Foxy Inc. Bangalore HSR. So this will be mostly H1. This is H3. So in WordPress, you have an option to choose H1. You can do H1. And now, what are your target keywords? Tattoo.
Shop.
Where you are searching that, sir?
I did Control F. You see here.
No, but on what page? On this
Home page, first page.
So on home page, if you put control, it will start.
Any page. So Tattoo Studio, he has used how many times? He has used 4 to 5 times. Tattoo Shop, he has used
7 times. 8 times.
7 times. One will be this itself, it will count as one. Tattoo Shop,
Artist.
no.
3 times. 2 times.
Tattoo Artist in Bangalore. So now primarily this keyword, this web page has to be optimized for Tattoo Shop near you. Somebody has already put this content. I don't know who has put this. Tattoo Shop near me. Tattoo Shop.
Near you and near me makes a
Tattoo.
difference.
No, not a big difference. Tattoo Studio in Bangalore. Okay. So keyword utilization is done. Keyword is being used on the page. Okay. You just check it once again and make sure they are all used. Now this one has to be your primary keyword. Foxing Bangalore HSR. See now somebody who is searching on Google for tattoo studio in Bangalore lands on this page. They'll not understand this is a tattoo studio if they are just looking at this one text. But looking at this images or after scrolling, they'll understand it's a tattoo studio, right? But don't give even the small scope. Even optimize this for the keyword that they have come through. The keyword is tattoo studio in Bangalore, and put as tattoo studio in Bangalore only, right? So I'll show you one example. Uh, Advanced automotive professionals, Garware paint protection film coating for cars in Bangalore. So they did not add any of these things. So now we have put Garware paint, the primary keyword, paint protection film PPF coating for cars in Bangalore is the most popular keyword, and we have used that in the top itself. Same way, even you can write, and this will be H1. Let's see, I'm not sure. So if it is not H1, as a SEO professional, as a digital marketer, you will have to convert that to H1. So this is H1, because H1 tag will be given more importance by bots. Okay, so this is H1. So paint protection film coating for cars in Bangalore, are they ranking? Recently, this was launched recently. We were doing social media ads from very long time. I'll show it to you for which all keywords they are ranking. See, now you will be very curious to know for which keywords your website is ranking. Correct? You cannot go to Google and search, correct? And you will not know what to be searched. One or two keywords you can. But main goal is here you have to understand for which keywords your website is ranking. One or two keywords you can think, but your website will have a potential to rank for hundreds of keywords. Now we have recently put this website, so it's already ranking for keywords like PPF HSR layout. You see, PPF HSR layout, 10.4 position. So it's ranking here, PPF. Maybe I'll try incognito since we have logged in and check that website often. It's showing there. PPF. See, based on your browsing history, previously it showed in the first position, correct? Now when I go to incognito and check, it is showing in 4th or 5th position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th position, correct? Advanced automotive professionals. Now coming back, is that the only keyword it's ranking? No. Advanced automotive professional is a brand keyword. Garware protection film advanced, okay, this is also brand. The cost of the whole body on paint protection film, they are ranking in 7th or 8th page. Yes, as of now they are ranking for 61 keywords. So now your goal as a SEO professional, you will be getting all of them to the first page. That's when you will get the business, correct? Even if you are ranking in the second page or third page, you will not get the business. Correct? So now we are going to learn how do we make all of this. We have already learned few things. We will continue to learn more. Correct? So 6th advanced, okay, this is paint protection film in Bangalore. See, now they started ranking for paint protection film in Bangalore, which is in 14th position or 15th position, and it has got only 2 impressions. The moment this comes to first page, you will see it having lot of impressions. I will show you this example. So recently we launched SEO training in Bangalore last month. It was not ranking earlier. It doesn't exist at all, right? How will it rank? So after launching it, you will see the difference how it is gaining the impressions. So SEO training in Bangalore, previously it was in 14th position and now it has come to 9.7. And look at the difference in impressions. Better the position, higher the number of impressions. Correct? So if you are staying far away from Bangalore, I will never get a chance to see you. If you are staying somewhere in Bangalore, I will get at least few chances to see you. Correct? If you are staying in HSR, the chances will be very high to see you. If you are staying in the same office, it's further high. Got it? Same way here, as the keyword progresses to the first page, you will be eligible for more number of impressions. More number of people are seeing it now. If more number of people are seeing it, there are good chances of more number of people clicking on it. Let's see that as well. SEO training in Bangalore, you must have seen some clicks coming in the recent times. Okay. SEO training in Bangalore, 3 clicks and 7 clicks. Digital marketing training in Bangalore, 0 clicks and 6 clicks. Right? SEO course in Bangalore, 0 clicks and 3 clicks. Impressions, 99 impressions to 137, 103 to 3200 impressions and 3 clicks to 7 clicks. Correct? So SEO training in Bangalore is not the real-time average position. So this is delayed by 3 days. The data is not real-time. So SEO training in Bangalore, where is it ranking? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th position. Correct? But what is it showing? It is showing it as 9.7 position. So again it has progressed. So 3 days back the average position was 9.7, and if you see the position here after 2-3 days, this 9.72, it would have come to 5. Real time we are checking it, right? Real time it is showing in 4th or 5th position, correct? Are you all getting it?
Yes.
So now if you are doing SEO for your website, it is important to register for a Google Search Console account. Do you have Google Search Console account?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you see any stats, numbers there? Digital Marketing Training Institute. So this keyword also. So despite ranking in the top, this keyword, look at the number of clicks we have got, only 2. So this clearly indicates the traffic is going to the ads. This one, ads, and these results. So we are ranking in 2nd position, and still we are not getting the traffic to the website. Forget about leads. People have to come. If 100 people are visiting, only a small percentage will inquire with you, not everybody, correct? A lot of people might see the price at the back of. A lot of people thinks, okay, this is in HSR and I am in Marathalli and it is far for me, and they will back off, correct? So now, not everybody visiting your website are interested in your business. So the number of people showing interest in your business against the number of people seeing your business is number of people inquired with you against the number of people visited your website or seen your website.
Performance mark. Basically, first one is impression, second one is click.
Not impression, not click. That is CTR. Now here no impression, no click. So clicks are there.
This,
That is Google Ads.
okay, so
So the first one we discussed is clicks divided by impressions is CTR.
Yeah.
Here it is leads divided by clicks. What was in the top earlier to calculate CTR, now it is coming in the bottom. And a new metric is coming in here, leads or sales. Right? So leads or sales divided by the total traffic to your website is conversion rate. Total traffic to your website is 100. Out of 100, only 10 people have inquired with your business. So 10 divided by 100 is 10%.
First is impression divided by clicks is CTR.
No, clicks divided by impressions is CTR. So remember it this
Clicks
way,
divided by leads is
the bigger
conversion.
number is always below. Impressions is bigger. Not everybody who sees your website will not visit, right? That will be below. So I is impressions, C is clicks. So clicks is smaller, impressions is bigger. So clicks divided by impressions is
CTR.
CTR. Now IC is done. Now sales. Sales or leads. Sales or leads divided by clicks.
Clicks.
Sales or leads will be always lesser than
Clicks.
clicks. So sales or leads divided by clicks is conversion rate.
So basically, from impression
sales
you
or
get a
lead,
click. From click you get a sale, and then that is a conversion.
Yes.
Okay.
sales or lead divided by
Clicks.
Clicks is conversion rate basically. Conversion is you getting a business is a conversion, but this conversion or this sale divided by total number of clicks is conversion rate.
So your target is you need to From impression, you need to go to conversion. You need to reach the conversion. Clicks or impression is clear. Then sales or leads divided by clicks is conversion.
Conversion.
So journey should be from impression to conversion.
Yes, that's how it is in any marketing channel or platform. Clear?
Yes. Very much.
Okay, so the next thing is, see, look at this here in this website. They have also put some content. So in SEO, you have to give more importance to customers' mindset, customers' expectation, right? So for example, if someone is walking into your store, most of the times you will prefer to talk to them. Why? Because you know your employee will not speak the way how you speak. Correct?
Yeah.
Correct?
Exactly.
Correct. So the same happens with your web page as well. Your web page can be like your employee sometimes, or it can be like you also. Correct? Now, what your employee speaks to a customer prospect and what you should speak to your prospect varies drastically, significantly. Correct? And this is what is the difference maker, and this is what is helping you to get more conversions. The moment the communication is effective with the prospect, you are getting the good business. Correct? So same way, and you know, while you are speaking to customer, you know what to be questioned. Correct? What to ask. Correct? And what to ask, what to tell. What is the first type of information that you give. As soon they come into your office or into your store, you will not say, hey, this is 10,000 rupees, buy it, buy it. You will not say that. Correct?
Yeah.
You will start understanding them. You will start giving the key information to them. Correct? You know what kind of information has to be served to them. Correct? Exactly the same should happen on your web page. Correct? So while doing this, sometimes you will find difficulty in incorporating the keywords here. So that's perfectly fine. Don't force the keywords anywhere here. So whatever you want to speak, you just speak those things to the customer. Don't try to bring in tattoo shop in Bangalore, tattoo shop near me forcefully. If it is naturally getting incorporated, you do it.
Got it.
Correct? Correct? Then how do we cover the keywords? If you are in your natural communication to your prospect, you cannot use. So when he is coming to your store, you cannot again say tattoo store. When they enters your office, you cannot say tattoo store near me. Come on, welcome to tattoo store near me. You will not say that, right? You will say welcome to Foxy. Correct? You understand how
Yeah, I understand.
odd, how awkward it is when you say welcome to tattoo store near me. We are a best Bangalore tattoo studio. Correct? And this is a tattoo studio in HSR. He will scold you, stop boss, what are you doing? You continue to say again, best tattoo studio in Bangalore. This is a nearby tattoo studio for you. He will say, boss, I know everything. You speak about your business. What is your offering to me? How much do you charge? How it costs? What kind of designs you have? What is the experience, past customers' experience with your business? So they'll be more interested in certain kinds of information, correct? So exactly you have to do the same thing here on this web page, right? So first, what has to be spoken to the customer, and how do you present cleanly, nicely in terms of points, in terms of images, in terms of videos, reviews, everything. So to an extent, this is already done. But once again, after learning, after being part of these classes, you try to revisit these pages and try to enhance or improve the communication on these web pages. Okay. So now keywords. How do you cover the keywords? I'll show it to you. One second. Hello. Yes. गूगल एड्स का क्लास ठीक है आपका नाम निसार अहमद आपको मैं 10-15 मिनट के बाद फ़ोन करता हूँ ठीक है क्लास पे हूँ अभी कॉल करता हूँ आपको ओके so now how will you cover the keywords is you have an option to cover it in the reviews also sometimes might look very odd if you are keyword optimizing them it doesn't look natural right so simply what we do is I'll show you an example let's come to this one only okay let's come to this SEO training So what we do is for keyword incorporation, so instead of forcefully incorporating and making the content look odd, we simply add that here in the extreme bottom.
You added here.
Extreme bottom of the page. Our website is not working. I'll show it to you in other website, our client's website. Snowflake training in Bangalore.
It's an IT course.
Yes. Okay. So now look at this. I cannot make, see, Snowflake training in Bangalore is used here, correct? But now I cannot go and write Snowflake training in Bangalore everywhere. It looks very odd. And in the curriculum also, we cannot write Snowflake training in Bangalore, correct? Correct?
Okay.
So what and all communication had to be made, it's made properly, right? So what we have done is we have put this at the extreme bottom. You see here, this is all the keyword optimized information. And if this content is put in the top, it's of no real value or much use to the end user, correct? See, for them the most priority information is curriculum, correct? Syllabus, the course fee, right? And couple of other details related to the course. The course overview, correct? And now this course has Bangalore page, Hyderabad page, and in every page I cannot write Snowflake course overview in Bangalore, in Hyderabad, in Pune, correct? So we have kept the communication common across. Did you all get that? And now if you observe this content, we will have a Snowflake training in Bangalore or Snowflake course. So I'll type Bangalore, you will get to see. Snowflake online course in Bangalore, Snowflake course in Bangalore, Snowflake certification training in Bangalore, Snowflake online training in Bangalore, Snowflake training and certification programs in Bangalore, Snowflake certification class in Bangalore. Do you see that? Some keywords are used multiple times because the search volume for those keywords will be very high. So keywords, the high priority primary keywords which have got more search volume, you can repeat them multiple times in the content. Yeah. So see, naturally you try to incorporate in the web page. If that is not happening and if it is not possible, you try to put it in the bottom.
Any restrictions on the bottom content? Nothing.
We call this as SEO content now. Instead of bottom content, we call this as SEO content. Right? This is a different thing. We'll discuss what is this. Clear? So now this is called as on-page optimization. Title, allocating, assigning the keywords for this. For this web page, there are 100 pages on your website. Apple page, banana page, grapes page. You will get all the keywords related to Apple assigned for that page. And using those keywords, you will write a title. This is the meta title. And you will write a meta description. This meta title and meta description will appear on Google. That is not there anywhere here on this web page. That is not there anywhere here on this web page. Right? And next, using the same keywords, you optimize this web page as well. So title and description is shown to the public on the Google. Correct? Now to help Google understand or mark your page that this page is all about Snowflake training in Bangalore, you are incorporating all the keywords related to it in this page. Correct? On your contacts list, if you want to find a contact by typing trainer, you will have to save it as a trainer. Correct? Same way this file has to be, this file is saved as Snowflake training in Bangalore. Even if it is saved as 1, 2, 3, 4, within this, you might have sometimes saved your resume as resume only, but within the resume you will have the names, correct? And when you go and search on your computer based on the terms used in the resume inside the document, it matches, correct? So exactly the same happens when Google looks at this document and finds the terms matching, right? So now this document has Snowflake training term, Snowflake training in Bangalore used multiple times, and hence it starts showing up for Snowflake training on Google. And now this page is being considered as Snowflake training in Bangalore. But now the success of this page on Google search results depends on what you show to the people. The title and description, meta title and meta description. Right? Snowflake training in Bangalore. See, this all pages containing Snowflake training in Bangalore multiple times, but if this page is showing Snowflake definition and meaning, people who are searching for Snowflake training in Bangalore will not click on this, correct? Your page is all about Snowflake training in Bangalore, but this is telling the meaning of Snowflake here. If you have written understand or know, get to know the meaning of Snowflake, nobody will click. Because their term is Snowflake training in Bangalore. You have searched for Snowflake training in Bangalore, and if you see Snowflake definition or meaning, you will not click. So there has to be a relevance, complete relevance with what is this web page about, for which keywords it has been optimized, and what you are displaying to the public. Correct? So now Google, based on these terms, it is matching and it is making you eligible to show up on the Google. And now you yourself are negating or creating a problem by writing something else here that will make people not to click on it. Correct? Hence we tried matching both Snowflake training in Bangalore, and here also this is Snowflake Training Institute in Bangalore. Here also it has to show Snowflake Institute in Bangalore, but there is some small bug here. It is picking a text randomly from the page title. So this is actually Snowflake Training Institute in Bangalore. You understood? So now using those keywords, you are writing title, description, H1 and SEO content. Clear? This is on-page optimization. Right? So there will be a lot of things covered in the on-page. Usually people group them into the on-page, but here we are not going to count them as on-page optimization. We will be discussing that as a site-level SEO. So SEO is split into on-page SEO, site-level SEO, technical SEO, and off-page SEO, right? So now, usually other institutes or other digital marketers split it into three: on-page SEO, technical SEO, off-page SEO, right? And site-level SEO is also an on-page SEO, but like site-level SEO is slightly different. You will be implementing it across the website. On-page SEO is, it changes from page to page. You understand? Apple page speaks about only Apple. Orange page speaks only about orange. Correct? Pomegranate page.
Off page.
Off page. Off page SEO is any activity that's done outside of your website. On any other website, you are doing an activity related to your website, for your website, right? Either to improve the crawl frequency of your website or to get the referral traffic to your website is called as off-page
So
SEO.
basically backlinks come here.
Backlinks and various kinds of other implementations. We'll discuss them. See, anything that is done on your website is called as an on-page SEO, and that is done outside of your website is called as off-page SEO. And what are you doing in the off-page SEO? We'll discuss. And why do you do the off-page activities? We'll discuss. And on-page also we are discussing why do we do these activities, implement. What kind of implementations we do? We have discussed already in on-page. We understood now keyword allocation and allocation. First, keyword research. Identify which keywords are suitable for this page, allocate those keywords, and then using the same keywords write titles, descriptions, H1s, SEO content.
So on page now, on page, the landing page is also a good page.
This is a landing page. Any page built for public to land on it is a landing page. Correct?
So landing page, you mean to say that is H1?
Web page means the same, landing page means the same, page means the same. They are just different words used, right? People call me Manjunath, it's the same. People call me Manju, same. People call me Chaudhary, it's the same. Correct?
Yeah.
Just because you are hearing it different, it's not a different person. Correct? So landing page, you have heard it on the internet several times by watching those videos or maybe from digital marketers. So landing page has stuck in your mind so strongly that you are attempting to call everything as a landing page. There is no rocket science, or that's not an amazing thing. It's simply a web page. A web page on which anybody lands is a landing page. Correct? Manjunath, when you truncate it or cut it, it can be called Manju also. Correct? Same way, landing page, web page, page URL.
But then why people do it? So why landing pages? Like he doesn't have landing page. It's only his website.
He has a landing page.
Where it is only his website. That home page is web page.
Any page on your website is a landing page.
Generally, I see like slashes and then.
No. He has slash, right? Slash contact, slash about, slash privacy policy. Now this is slash, right? Slash technologies. You know, look at this slash digital marketing, or maybe slash technology slash snowflake training slash Bangalore. This is landing page, right? I'll tell you. I know why you are confused about that and how do we address that. I'll explain to you. Okay. So usually what happens is this page is optimized for search engines, correct? It's ranking nicely on Google, correct? Now, performance marketing or somebody who is running Google Ads comes, right? So as a business owner, you will tell, okay, use the same web page and run the ads. So you show this web page on Google Ads as well and bring all the people to this web page. Now this person says, no, I did not like the color, or for me, I don't want to present some details like price. I will hide the price details. But now business owner says, no, I can't hide it. I will not hide any details or information to the public. The Google Ads expert says, no, I want to hide it. Otherwise, see, when I hide it, people will inquire with us. If the price is displayed, they will see the price and they will leave the page. Now there is a argument between these two people. Correct? Now they will come to a conclusion. Now business owner agrees. Now another person comes and says, gives a solution. Okay, do one thing. You want a similar page to with site changes, and he is not accepting to make the changes. You build a new landing page. So I will replicate this page, and in that page I will hide this information, and I'll start running Google Ads.
How do you do that?
And now the Google Ads people who are running Google Ads and all, they will come and say, I will create a separate landing page for you. This page is not looking good. Maybe for your website, if somebody has to run an ad, they will say your home page is not looking good. Black color is negative. Black color is not good. But you have sentimentally, you don't want to change that color or something else. It's already ranking good on the Google. Correct? For some reason, you don't want to make any changes to your home page. So now they will build a new page called foxingbangalore.com/landing page or home page or 123 or /tattoo or something, and they will call that as this is landing page for Google Ads.
So whenever the ad
Any
is
page, regardless of the ad, any web page or your website is a landing page, right? So now when they are running Google Ads, the chances of creating a separate page for Google Ads is very high. And now this landing page term gained popularity from there. I'll build a separate landing page and I will run ads for you. Because they are not happy with what information you have presented already on your web page. We don't usually do that. So now we did the same for this business. I'll show it to you. We built a separate website. So their website is adaptiveus.com. This is our client's website. And I'll show it to you, the courses. So now they said this is the course that we are dealing with. I want to show ads. Somebody searches, when someone searches CBAP training, CBAP course, CBAP certification, get those people onto this web page. Right? Look at this page. Now we did ads for this page. There is some problem, tracking problem, right? So now what we said, this page has some issues, tracking issues. Okay. So we built a separate landing page, CBAP training, right? We built, instead of separate landing page, we built a subdomain, that is ECBA or CBAP. cbap.adaptiveus.com. Right, now look at this. How is this website and this website?
How did you do so?
I'll tell you. So now this website, there is no form, correct? So I think having a form to the right side will get more leads. I think a good nice pop-up will get more leads, right? I think a better presentation could fetch more leads, right? So that's why we built this Web page. Hello. Class learning 5 minutes. So you definitely see a huge difference, right? This web page and this web page, see such a big pop-up with all the details with some key highlights. Correct. I'll close this. In this one. Look at this page. And look at this page. Which one is looking good?
First one.
This one?
No, the one.
This one?
Subdomain.
Yes. So now, so we could have put it CBAP training hyphen new. And it would have been exactly like this. For some reason, we don't wanted to do it like this. So we have put a subdomain cbap.adaptiveus. This is a landing page for ads now. And if I'm doing the same, this is also a landing page. A landing page is simply a web page on your website. That's all. Simply a web page. This is the landing page. This is the landing page. This is the landing page on your website. This is also a landing page on your website. Correct? So what is the difference is your understanding. So usually you think landing page is something, a new product coming onto your website. No. You have launched a page, buy mangoes online, that's a landing page. And now that product page is not looking good. You will create a new page that is also selling mangoes, right? But then you might use different colors, different presentation. That is also a landing page. This is also a landing page. The existing landing page is not looking good for you to run the ads. Hence, you are creating a new landing page, which can be as good as the existing landing page, or worse than the existing landing page, or much better than the existing landing page. Are you all getting this? And now we have built a new landing page. This one, correct? So this can be as good as this old landing page, or much better than the old landing page, or worse than the old landing page. This is old landing page. Correct? Both are landing pages. Understood? Now how do we build? How do you build websites? WordPress, or if you have custom developers, website developers, they will build a page. I will give the requirements, I'll give the content, I'll give a design. So I have explained all of you already. So the first stage is UI UX designers. So the first thing is UI UX designers will give a mock-up. First I will plan the content. First we have to show CBAP certification training. Then I want to show some key highlights of pitching, positive pitch of the information. Second I want to show ratings. Third I want to show overview and certificate. Fifth I want to show points. Sixth I want to show something else. Seventh in a Word document, our UI UX designer is designing the page, and then the same has been developed to HTML page. You have a site, an engineer is giving a plan 3 BHK home or a villa or a duplex plan, and then that is converted to a real construction. Same way, UI UX designer gives this presentation, and this is converted to a real website now. Right? You can do this in WordPress also if you want. You go to add new pages, click add new, and create one more new page. Correct? That's all. That is a landing page. And existing page is also a landing page. Any web page on your website which is getting traffic to it is a landing page. Where people land on it is a landing page. So when they run ads, that's a quite commonly used terminology. I'll create a landing page for your business. That is another biscuit for business owners, which might work or may not work, which may have the necessity or may not have necessity, just to bluff or fool business owners sometimes. Correct? Now, Google Ads expert has to prove or showcase that he is doing a lot for business. When there is already a web page, good web page, what is the necessity of building it again? His only work will be now launching a Facebook campaign or Instagram campaign or Google Ad campaign. Correct? Now, that is not enough to impress the business owner. So he says, I'll build a beautiful landing page for your business. This will get a lot of leads. See, if it is, that can be a genuine reason or purpose also. But many times it may not be. Correct? I have seen that happening with a lot of digital marketers. They will simply create, I'll say, what is the purpose? Why should be you creating a landing page? They don't know. We have got a clear purpose here. Why we should be building a separate landing page. One is this, look at these tabs. This is not that impressive. Moreover, the biggest problem for us is tracking. So tracking is the traffic users coming to this website is being sent to other web pages, other subdomains. There is some mess with the tracking, and fixing the tracking is quite difficult. So what did we do? We created a separate subdomain where all the tracking will be completely different. We'll be able to track whether the Google Ads campaigns are really contributing, really working for the business or not. That being the reason, we have built a separate landing page. Okay, so on page we have discussed today. Next level of on page implementations, I'll not call it as on page, I'll call it as site level SEO. Okay, so we'll discuss that from the next class. Right, site level SEO, there are many implementations, usually a lot of people lag. So SEO, people think it's all about writing titles, descriptions, H1, SEO content, and building backlinks. This is what people think SEO is all about. No. We'll discuss it from tomorrow's class. Okay.